Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Paul, and thank you so much for all your love and support. If you're a new viewer, go to my channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then you can go hit the subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services, you can WhatsApp our customer care team, and for the ones who want to open an account and be part of my Telegram channel, you can click the link in description, open your account in 0 hour of stock, and be part of my Telegram channel, that is secret Telegram channel. So this particular video I wanted to do basically on money management. So let's quickly start off. So hope you remember the Smart Trader target which I had initially created, that is 0.3% of the stock. Now initially when we did this, a lot of people laughed at it. Later people started believing in it, they started using it, and slowly they believed in that. Same way we came up with Smart Trader thumb rule, okay, where Nifty, I said Nifty 0.20 above, buy side 0.20 negative, sell side between neutral, beginners don't trade. So this is a Smart Trader thumb rule initially which we came up. Now a lot of people are using it and they're believing in it. These are all like human made. I've just made this so that it will help a lot of people not to make some mistakes in the market. Just for beginners sake, I created all this. So just like these, now I have created a third one, that's going to be Smart Trader money management rule. Now basically why I have done this is basically it's a how do you manage your money, because a lot of people just blindly come. It's not just about learning. Now we are learning, you're watching my live trading videos, learning videos, everything. But it is not just that, also handling your money, because everyone are different here. All the viewers who are watching are in different slabs of income or earning or students. So you should know what you are. For that, learning is just one part and managing the money also is the second part. So that plays a very important role. So I thought I'll make this particular rule a Smart Trader rule, which most of them can apply, and at least beginners it will help in your trading journey. So the reason why I did this particular rule is because, if for example your salary is 30,000, that's what I've given examples only. So if your salary is 30,000 rupees and your capital will be 1 lakh rupees, and few people have salary of 1 lakh rupees and they take a loan up to 10 lakh rupees because they used for trading. Now people trade based on loan, they make big losses. Your salary is 30,000, you do 1 lakh capital and you make a big loss, you lose 80%, 90%, 90,000 rupees is gone from your account. So what happens to you? You made a big loss, I made huge loss. This is how people say. And by experience is what I am talking, because it's not just others, even I have experiences like, I have taken loan and lost that money also. So previously, and same way when my students also tell about their experience, I feel like there are big problems in life. So these are one of the examples where people put their capital in such a way that it's more than their income, and once they lose that because of lack of knowledge and maturity and experience, then they will feel bad or they get out of the market. So with this particular rule, okay, so this is how the rule will look like. Okay, so now let's concentrate on this particular rule. Now according to the Smart Trader money management rule, we are going to concentrate on 15% of your monthly income. Now let's say example, your income is around 10,000 salary, just an example, every slab. So 10,000 salary, 1,500 should be your intraday capital. The reason I'm talking is because intraday only people are losing more because it's very quick. So first let's talk about the intraday part. So example, 10,000 salary, your capital should be 1,500 rupees. Now I know that you will take 15-20 times leverage and you will trade and all that, but 10,000 is salary, so 1,500 is your intraday capital. If 50,000 is your salary, let's say 7,500 rupees is your intraday capital. Or let's say 1 lakh is your salary, then 15,000 is your intraday capital. So this is how you should choose your capital in the starting stage. Because see, in a salary, when you're making 10,000 or 1 lakh rupees, I'm sure you will spend your 15% very easily as an expense. Maybe in eating, maybe in petrol, car, bike, purchasing, clothes, traveling, trips, anything. I would say 20, 30, 40% easily you will spend. So consider 15% that it went in some expense like eating, learning or something. It was an entertainment. Just think it's 15% is gone from your monthly income. With having that mindset, you can definitely invest this. If you do not have a mentality of putting 15% of your monthly salary, then kindly do not trade, because you don't take your commitment money. I'm saying about the free money. If you're having free money, in that of your income, if you feel this 15% is not an commitment money of your loan or of any of your children's education or anything which you are going to give to your parents, then only take this 15%. If this is also a commitment money, then don't even touch for trading. Just learn until unless you become in a better position. Now imagine 15% of your monthly income you have as your capital. Now as per my logic, using this 15% of your capital as intraday capital. Now you will start trading, you will be learning from different sources. Day by day when you trade, what happens? You will learn something new. By your small losses or profits, you will learn something good. So imagine, let's say, end of the month you have lost 50% capital. Initially most of them will lose capital, right? So imagine you lost 50% of your capital. Now let's take an example of 1 lakh salary. So 15,000 rupees, you lost 7,500. Remaining 7,500 you have in your trading account. Now what you have to do next month, you have to wait till next month. During the month, whenever you lose money, you are not going to put again 1 lakh rupees and say I will recover all my 15,000 in one shot. No, that time you will lose more money. That's how losses become big. That's how if you ask a lot of people who made lakhs of losses, it's not because they lost in one shot. They made a loss, to recover that they put more money, and they made major losses. That's how the losses become big. So in this case, if you are waiting for your next month's salary, one discipline will be there. With whatever money you are going to trade and learn, you are not going to add extra money in between. So next month you got your salary, again you're ready to invest your 15% of your income, business income or salary, monthly, whatever it is, 15% you're ready to put. In this example, 15,000 is your income. 7,500 is a loss. More 7,500 is required. So you will just invest your 7,500 only. Next month you will not put 15,000 rupees. Now example I gave is 50% loss. What if it is 100% loss? Then you would have put 15,000 rupees. What if it is 10% loss? You will just put, let's say, 1,500. Rest money you have in your pocket. So rest money, what you can do, you can keep it for your next capital, that is CNC or positional, that is means cash and carry. You trade for short term period, you buy today, after a week, 2 weeks you sell with whatever cash you have. You can start doing that, okay? So if you're good at it, for that also you need to learn. Just like that you can't do. So if you want to practice that, you can start practicing it 1 or 2 shares by buying that. But that's how you build your capital, not putting full money here, losing, then tomorrow going to CNC and practicing, going, not that way. So when you're trading everything, you should start splitting your capital like this. Now 7,500 you can either put it in your CNC and build your capital, whichever you're getting extra, or else you can buy long-term stocks by investing in small case or any other options you have. Just invest in long-term ones, good ones, by reading certain small cases, the better one, whichever you feel good. According to market risk, you can invest in long-term. So that's how you build your investment slow by slow. No matter you're a new joinee to a company, just getting your salary, follow this 15% rule. Or else, if you're not comfortable with CNC, you want to learn, you're not comfortable with small case, at least put that remaining 7,500, which you didn't put here, put it into mutual funds or something like that. In some or the other way, you are saving your money also, because that time you will be more happy that I lost only 50% I'm saving. I'm not using the entire 15,000 in the next month. I'm saving that in mutual funds, which are at least the risk is less. At least my money will be like something like a saving account. It will at least sustain there with 1 or 2% at least profit, or at least cost to cost. Some money will be there in my name. So like that, what will happen? I'm sure that while doing like this, what will happen? You will stay for a longer time. Now, second month, third month, fourth month, not every month you'll make 50% loss, maybe 100% loss, someday 50%, someday 10%. Slowly you will become better by learning from different sources. By that time you spend some months and years, you get better, your salary increases, your capital increases based on the percentage only. Now, if you're making profits, then you can increase your capital. Okay, that's up to you. If you feel this capital is very small, okay, for 1 lakh salary person, I think 15,000 capital, again profit on that is very small according to him. So that time if you feel it's very small, then ensure you make 100%, you make profit more than 15,000. When I say 15,000, make more money, make your total money to 16,000, 17,000. So if you have come to that stage, then definitely I agree that you can increase your capital. But if you are making losses, what is the point of adding more money into your capital, increasing your capital when you are going down and down? If you have the capacity to increase your capital by your own profits, I am sure you can do that. Increase how much ever you want. Make it 20, 25, 30. Put your profits to your capital and increase it. no problem. But if you're making losses and just putting more income monthly and doubling your capital and making doubling your losses, because percentage will become for 1 lakh percentage, this is 15,000 is the loss. Imagine for 2 lakh it will be 30,000. So remember, when you increase your capital, your losses also will increase. So always stay with 15% rule, monthly income only. Now, advantage of these reasons why expectation, I would say expectation from my this rule is that to reduce the losses. Basically, I told, so you will put only 15,000 monthly and losses will be minimal for you in your mind. Okay, I lost it, I had something, I did a expenditure or something on a trip or a food or a dress, something, I just spent my money. So you will not feel bad because next month you got salary, you will forget your loss of previous small loss. So to reduce the losses, big losses like lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, even though your salary is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, your loss will be 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. To avoid that situations, we will follow this particular method. And to stay for a longer time in the market. Now what happens here, first month you made loss, next month you have your income, right? So when you have an income, you are putting again money and you are trading. So like this, you will, until unless you have a job, you will sustain in the market. So the more years you spend in the market, trade in the market, you learn a lot of lessons. Definitely a person who is making losses will go and investigate what are the things to learn, how to learn, and by experience only markets will teach the person. So the longer you stay, like how I stayed longer and longer, I became better and better. It's not that day I just joined, I was the best. No, I was the worst. From worst I became something, and then I came to neutral, and slowly I started seeing some positives in my account, right? So same way, that is the growth rate. So the longer you stay, the better you become. The people, so if you put all your 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees with so much salary, you lose everything. You will be monthly paying that loan or whatever, and you will not have money to put in trading. So you will exit within 1 month or 2 months, you're out of the market. You will say market is gambling, it's not for me, and you're out of it. But in this method, you will stay for a longer time in the market, which will give you better experience. Next is to have a better mindset. Now, if you make 1 lakh, 2 lakh loss with a salary of 10,000, how will your mindset be? You lost commitment money, you have to work for 1 more year to recover that money which you lost, or that commitment money which you lost. All that tension will be in your head from next month onwards. No expenses, nothing, eating. Imagine the people depending on you, your children's and family, parents. You know, you're not keeping them also happy by not doing good expenses. You get angry on them. You would have seen that when you make big losses, you get angry and you're not able to work in office, your promotion goes down. All this will happen. So to have a better mindset, this is the best formula, which will not make you feel that bad. Maybe on that day or 2 days you feel bad, but throughout the year you will not feel bad. Next month you will recover, at least when you have money. So next is to the habit of investment from early stage. Now I told you, you will invest here. When you lose how much, so much only you will put again, right? And make it again 100%. 15,000, if you lose 7,500, next month you will put only remaining money. The remaining money what was there from here, you will put in CNC, small case, or mutual fund. So like this, you are building a habit, okay, habit of investment from early stage. When I let it be your 20s or 30s or 40s, at least you're starting with the investment. Side by side, you're investing certain money in your name. There is some money in your account. In your bad times, you can use that particular amount also. So you will get used to saving certain money. Maybe end of 1 year, 2 year, you will get to know intraday is not for you, but at least you saved some money, and you will start continuing putting that 15% in these long term or mutual funds or small case, so that at least some way you are saving some money and learning to make some money out of it. And finally, financial stability. Okay, so like I told you, you don't spend your commitment money, you don't spend anything. You just think this is your 15% of your monthly income or overall income is some expenses, and if that goes, next month will not spoil. Next month when salary comes, everything is fine. Okay, everything is cool, nothing is wrong, because nothing is your commitment money, nothing is your 100%, 200% of your salary, right? It's just 15% of your monthly income which you think you spent it. So also you are saving mutual fund, small case, CNC, and also you're learning intraday, and simultaneously you are getting better in financial life. Also mutual funds are making you better in financial security. Same way, you are not losing a big amount, and your situation is not going bad. Next month also you can put your money and you are fine. At least 1 month if you feel bad, next month you are fine, because your capital is back to the same level. So this is the formula. What I would say, 15% of your monthly income will be the capital for intraday trading, and only if you're losing that money, next month you will wait. Till then you should not put any money and add some money to your intraday capital. Make it 100%. That is 100% is what? 15% of your salary is 100%. If you feel you want to increase your capital, make profits and increase your capital. If you don't have the capacity to make profit and increase, then why do you want to increase, right? So first learn to increase your capital. Once you learn the skill, you increase your capital by your own money. Money should make money. Don't put your hard-earned money from here to here and lose that money in the market. So hope this third rule of our smart trader is helpful for you guys. And yes, definitely a lot of people may feel uncomfortable or may feel comfortable, but yeah, as in when the time goes, people will understand what I'm saying. So take time and try to follow. If you feel this is better for you, at least you can reduce your losses for beginners. So thank you so much for watching this video. Share with all your friends and beginners so that they don't do these mistakes and at least they survive in the market. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.